So we made a really nice detector that can detect these Trankov showers. And this led into a collaboration for our SETI group with high energy astrophysics to now campaign and do both projects.
So now talk about why SETI is different from radio listening, like Drake and others were initially interested in, the Big Ear project. And then I do want to get back to the Galileo project and how that's different from what you're doing. But first, let's talk about the actual science motivation. Why would a civilization, why would you tune it to look in the optical when radio is a lot easier? You know, speaking as a dumb radio astronomer, it's a lot easier to do radio astronomy in many ways. Why did you just choose, or why do people feel that optical is a promising wavelength range to explore?
Well, so just to comment that, radio SETI, we've been doing that 60 plus years, right? And it's interesting. That was our first technology for, long range communication, right? It's interesting to think of other civilizations would have developed other communication outside of radio. Radio is a great communication because it's low energy, as you know. You can build large dishes and transmit. It's easy to receive. But you can use any, light, whether you're at optical light, radio light, gamma ray light, microwaves, they all travel the speed limit. So in terms of getting to distances from stars, you get there the same amount of time. But why optical SETI? All right. So Charles Townes invented the laser, right? In 1959, wins the Nobel Prize for this. In 1961, he wrote a really interesting Nature paper about how lasers would be a phenomenal way to do interstellar or interplanetary communication. And if you think about this, that's kind of remarkable that this experimentalist invented the laser and then immediately understood implications at a universe scale. And the paper basically argued that with a laser, you can pack a lot of information in it. You can beam it if you know where the person's going to receive it. It is a better carrier of information. It's incredibly bright.